How to fix Instagram login error. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how you can fix the issue. The first one is by going to your Google browser and then search for is Instagram down. After that, tap on this down detector website. So this website will show you if there are problems on Instagram application. And then this chart here shows a view of a problem report submitted in the past 24 hours. If you see here that there's a big spike on the chart, that could only mean that there is a problem on the Instagram application. So what you need to do is to wait for Instagram to fix the problem and then re-log into your account. After doing that, if the problem isn't fixed, the next thing that you can do is to check your internet connection. To do that, go to your browser, search for speedtest.net, and then in here tap on the go option to start checking your internet connection. After checking your internet speed and then you have a good internet connection and the problem isn't fixed, the last thing that you can do is to uninstall the app. To do that, we'll have to tap and hold on the app, tap on this delete icon, and then tap on this uninstall option. After that, you'll just have to go to your Apple Store or Google Play Store to reinstall the app. By doing that, your Instagram application will be refreshed, and then after that, simply log into your account. So those are the 3 ways on how you can fix Instagram login error. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!